For the first time in nearly 3 decades, the Air Jordan 10 OG Sacramento is officially returning for Holiday 2026, and this is easily one of the biggest Jordan announcements in years. Originally part of the 1995 City Series, the Sacramento 10 has always been one of the rarest and most sought-after editions, making this retro a dream for collectors. What makes this pair stand out is its clean yet bold look, a premium black tumbled leather upper accented with deep purple hits on the collar and outsole stripes. While other City Series models have been reissued multiple times, Sacramento stayed locked away, building mythical status in the sneaker community. The 2026 release is expected to stick close to the OG recipe, from the leather build to the striped achievement outsole. With Jordan brand leaning hard into accurate retro recreations, expectations are extremely high. Stay tuned for updates as this iconic silhouette gets ready to touch down again.